Oh shit! I've been waiting all morning. I woke up nice and early. Look at this shit. We're up over 1%. Do you know what that means? We're fucked. I'm fucked, at least. Yeah, if we look back at well, what's the 11th? Yeah. So pretty sure this is like where I traded, and then I bounced and then it rinsed a little bit. So yeah, I'm dog shit. What's new? Um, just had a few bad trading days in a row. It's not necessarily hurting my mental because they've been small. Like it's been better losses. That $150 one was cooked, but it's fine. Yesterday, actually, I lost my trade, and then I started a flood downstairs. So that fan is doing something with water. I don't know. It works, but yeah. Let's just looking at the chart. I mean, pretty bullish. We're already up like 1% though. It's kind of I don't really know what to do with that information. How the fuck? I don't know. Uh, yeah. So, see how this goes. Should be open soon. We're gonna hear that beautiful little ding, whatever sound. Ah, yeah. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I turned off the one alarm today. Still got my Fitbit alarm. What the fuck is this volatility? Absolutely nothing. Um, instantly, I have no idea what to do. Obviously, the sentiment's pretty bullish. I feel like there's gonna be no like trend for me to follow unless I don't even know. So like right here would be potential sweep kind of thing. But even like right here, like I'm just not gonna move much. We're just gonna blow right through it. It's kind of fucking war, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to figure out how this shit works and I really don't. I know like this is kind of like drawing to this, right? Isn't that kind of how that works, guys? It's stopping right in it. It's gotta mean something. So, fuck. Crazy drop. I thing was, I was literally gonna say puts, but did that really matter what I was gonna say? Because I didn't say it, and I didn't buy puts. So who gives a shit? Yeah, I mean, as far as like key levels, I do think right here is a good one, but it's way too early. Got a lot of time before work today, so there is that. I don't work till like 12. I don't work till 1. Fucking trash. Dude, is it crazy that I kind of want to go long right here? That is terrible. Not that bad of a slip though. Like we just need to find a resistance level to hop in. Like I'm not really that opposed to trading early today. I just feel like we need to find some resistance somewhere. Mm, like if we were to, that is interesting. It's kind of crazy how pre-market like just moves. Like there's just no, just does what it wants. It's got mad aura. Oh, kind of want to sell my DRAM. I'm not gonna lie. Just so volatile, and they're like adding, removing all this shit. It's my biggest position by far. I'd kind of just wanna. I don't know. I hate to say it, but I think I might just have to be a Voo and chill kind of guy pretty soon. Yeah, I mean, it did kind of find its resistance. Just right on that. I could bounce pretty early though. Shit, there goes. Okay, see the thing is the exact like if it were like break this is the exact trade I took yesterday. That shit was a stinker. I'd love to see it hit this again. It'd be great if it would consolidate a little bit and then try. But I feel like it'll be like this candle, one candle, hit that, and then just do some shit I'll never understand. One thing I wanted to mention is I did a ton of research for years on the market, not necessarily options, but just like I was super infatuated with the market and all that stuff. And then I started trading and I kind of stopped looking at information. And I feel like, at least this week, it's kind of hurting me. And I really hate that feeling. Like, I just feel like there's probably better avenues I could take. Like, I kind of like the idea of funded accounts. I feel like I'd really need to change my way of trading. Like I would need to lock the fuck in. I just feel like I don't do enough locking in. Uh, like there's there's days I try not to do this, but like some of my biggest ones are just like, trade off vibes, and it hits, and it's like I can't explain what that is. Like, is it just luck? Is it something I'm seeing but I can't process, so I just kind of roll with it? But yeah, I definitely think ICT works better with futures and funded accounts in general. Like the PB guys, like that's my main trading guys I watch. I know they don't do options, but I just feel like they have some pretty good info. I like Patty a little bit more content wise, but Blake posts more trading content, and I appreciate that a lot. This is kind of interesting. Like, I know we've already dropped $3, but I don't see the sentiment necessarily being bearish, obviously in the pre-market, but like on the day, I mean, it's kind of a little bull trap going on. I could definitely see it. Dude, I kind of just want to buy some puts. I feel like there's just not a lot of resistance levels here. Like, I think I'm gonna do it. Just go in early. Kind of want like some out the money shit. Just gonna buy for these motherfuckers. See, but like, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do three. And I feel like that's really fucking stupid. Like, this is the thing that I'm talking about. Where, like, I'm so concise, and the second I fucking get, like, stuck on something, I'm like, oh my god, this is the most obvious thing ever. When it's fucking not. I'm basing risking, whether it's $80, 800, 8,000, like, I'm basing it off of 11 minutes of like movement. Like, it's stupid. There's no correlation. Like, look at this. Like, we're kind of resweeping here. Like, it's low. Like, the trend is still kind of bearish, but like, those are just things that like I need to think about before I even consider a put or call. Like, I want this shit to be useful. And like I'm human, I'm a fuck up, and I suck, so I'm a fuck up. But I don't know. I just wanna be dialed the whole time. Like 2 videos ago, or even last video, like I'm fucking chilling for 20 minutes, or last video like an hour, and then I just jump in on some bullshit, and it doesn't make any sense. Why? Why would I do that? Like even if this goes down, my price was dog shit because I'm trying to buy at the end of the candle. Like giving this time to play out, and this is why you shouldn't take a trade every day. Is well, not necessarily like your model, your thesis or whatever should be presenting itself, right? Like my focus is sweeps, resweeps. It's been that, and there's nothing there. So I shouldn't take a trade yet. And if it was like that all day, I shouldn't trade. If your setup is fucking 60% win rate and you're seeing that shit every single day, take your trade. Don't get me wrong. It's not like don't trade because like it's unhealthy or some shit. No, it's just you need to wait for the model, you need to wait for your whatever, and if you don't see it, don't take it. Like it's not like I don't even see my trade. I'm just or my thing. I'm just too I rush myself too much. Oh fuck, let me delete these. Oh my god, how could I forget? Sipping on strawberry blast C4, banging. Like, to give credit to me, like, I really haven't had my thing play out. This is a decent resweep, but like, this is fucking beautiful. Like, it's consolidating downwards. It's this level. Retest this, but it's like, it's choppy. It's not over one fucking candle. And it like I would look at this now with this mindset I have, like, oh, it's gonna reach, it's going up. That's not the case at all. Like, having this consolidation here is so indicative, to me at least, of like actual price action and actual model being followed. Like, even this resweep, I feel like it's pretty damn good. Like, it's, you see it, and then it tries to get that high again, and I guess we can kind of look on the volume day to day. Like, it is just kind of like a draw to that, but this is all after the fact. Like, these are all things that I just need to be focusing on, and I think it's important. Even though this is not financial advice, it's an important thing to follow. Play your fucking trade when it presents itself. If it doesn't, it's fine. Because making zero, not taking a trade, is better than being a dumbass and losing 20, 50, 100, $1,000. Like, $20 is still lunch, right? Like, you see $20 lunch, like, fuck that. You lose 200 on an option, you're like, oh, but it could have been. It's stupid as shit. You need to protect yourself. You need to be the best loser you can. And in order to be the best loser, you can't put yourself in a losing position, right? That's the whole point of having your structure that you follow, your rules. Like, that's our the most important thing. Be the best loser possible. So, with that being said, I don't really know what I'm looking at here. Like, found, I don't know if I'd say like the same resistance, but I found more resistance. You don't have like a resweep kind of situation going on. I do wonder, like, correlation this would have with itself. Like, I know it's not sweeping, but for it to be stopped even earlier, like, I mean, basically like this, right? Like, it doesn't even have the ability to resweep because it's good, gets stopped right here, and then we have consolidation. Like, I feel like there could be something indicative between that. Like, what's the point of looking for resweep when you're just targeting the next high and then falling off that? I don't know. I never really thought about that until looking at this kind of movement. DT Reb's up 7% today. I'm probably up $20 on it. Oh, $13. Should I sell this shit? God, but TRM was 80 fucking bucks in June. Late June. We're sitting at under 55. I mean, I only had like, I don't know, 5 shares then. So I was probably only up like 250 bucks, which is still good, but I bought more. And I brought my average up, and then I bought more and brought my average down. But what can you do? anyways, looking at this, like I'm still not really sold on anything. I kind of say it's more seller sided. I feel like we not breaking this wick is kind of crazy. Okay. Holy shit. See, if I put puts there, holy shit, would I be cut? I'd like to see it touch you. See, this is interesting. Like, I saw something yesterday about how this would mean, like, little movement here, but we're 2 for 2 on it, just blowing through this part. And I find that interesting. With all these orders here, like, does that mean it's inherently just going to want to draw that way? Is that kind of what we're... I kind of do want to take off auto scale. Oh, I would have loved to see it. Tap that. Oh, and I guess the answer would be no to on if these two correlate. Not necessarily a hard no, but as of right now, my thesis. Oh shit, just turn on my macro. What the fuck? Okay, we're good. I didn't hear any buy sounds, so I think I'm okay. Shit, the TV is fucking popping off right now. What the fuck's on the TV? I don't even know. Oh, I don't know. Kinda. After seeing this, I mean, they kind of hit this little like consolidated around the same place. We have this hard ass drop. Like I want to jump in because I want to win, but to give myself the best shot, I can't be turning back on this guy. Really, shit sucks. I just can't do anything with this shit. I honestly don't feel too locked right now. I woke up really early, but I just kind of fucking rotted in my bed, so that's fantastic. I've also been kind of slacking on my journaling. I feel like this, like talking and stuff, is a secondary form of it, but I still need like when I journal, I just write like less than a paragraph of how I felt my trade went, what I did good, what I did bad, how my morning was, just to kind of track and follow my mindset in it after the fact, how I felt my setups were. Stuff like that. Recently, I just write like 2 sentences. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm an idiot. Bye bye. Like, it doesn't help anybody. This volume's kind of coming up, but I think it's funny how it's just sat here, we drew down, and then it flew right through this, sat for a minute, flew right back. Now we're back in the where all the volume orders. I don't know. Um, fuck. I feel like if we did reshape this, I honestly really thought we were going to with this candle. I thought maybe we'd keep trickling down. I'd say it's good enough setup for me. I kind of feel like I don't know. I feel like this secondary, like lower swing high, it's more of a bearish kind of vibe to it. I guess we'll kind of see right here. Like I kind of feel like I should have taken something there, but it's only one candle, and I honestly was really kind of worried of it just like snap dropping more. I feel like we just had a lot of movement. I also feel like this stopping right here is kind of interesting because the only reason why there's nothing here, those orders here and right below. Where this, it's just not a lot of volume below. So Maybe I am a little bullish. I don't really know. Yeah, I think I should have taken that. That's okay though. Like I still could now, but now I feel like there's like maybe not right now. But like I feel like on like those fast ups or down, like there's almost like an inertia with options where even though it's the halfway point, like it's made like 2/3 of its money. Not necessarily in this scenario, but like this candle was the most important. Or like these two candles carried all the validity, like the volatility, I guess. Even if it were to hit here. I mean, if it were to get higher, maybe like it would just depend on what came next. It's 9 a.m. The real trading starts. Oh, there goes my headset. It's off now. Oh. Turn it back on. Serves no purpose, actually hearing nothing. I just don't know, like, what is. Oh, excuse me. I don't know, guys. Like, even with this high, like, we're under this high. It keeps sweeping lower. I guess we're kind of getting like some downwards consolidation. Plus with like pre-market or like overnight, literally just doing this thing. You know, I do kind of feel like I know this sounds stupid. Well, not necessarily stupid, but like, oh wow, look at this. It's like damn near this exact same pattern Bitcoin on the read. I feel like quote trading sweeps like oh fuck. How cool is that? Why does Control Z just change time frame? Whatever is this one. Like trading resweeps like obviously like to, at least to me like it does make sense. But like yeah. I need a better model. I think that's what it comes down to. Like I just feel like I'm leaving a lot of money on the table. Just trying to focus on that. Like a day like this, I feel like I either need to take more trades at lower volume or like lower size, or I need to start trading differently. Or I'm just looking at full day charts and getting like FOMO. And then like I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's weird. I guess it's just because I lost the big trades. Is it because my model's just not presenting itself as much? I don't want to jump ship on, like, just keep flip-flopping finding a strategy. Like, I know that's a terrible mindset to have, but I don't know. Or maybe it's kind of like a hybrid thing, like it's resweeps and whatever. Like ICT, I think is a good mock to follow. Obviously not like, I feel like there is like some optimizations you can make now, like 4 years removed from what I'm pretty sure it's 2022. Like once again, like Petty and Blake, I want to say they, or at least they both started on it. Blake still uses like key time frames and for value gaps and all that kind of stuff. Hmm. This really is kind of following wherever I saw this last right here. It's a huge drop though. I think if there's another like key stopping point, I think I'm gonna do puts. I think that makes sense. I'm pretty confident in that. And if there's not, if it just flies up or slams down without an indicator like that, I'll still post the video, but it'll be a zero trade day for me. I feel like that's also important to post. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, I guess I'll give it. I'll kind of draw them out. What color? What do you think? Brown. These are just everything that I'm gonna be looking at. Drop them. The candle. Or we resweep. Or we break this one. Lowkey. Alright. I'm actually tweaking the fuck out. Trade off this resweep. Or resweep up here. Again, once again, I also have Wall Street bets pulled up, and that shit fucks my mental ever. I see everyone being like to the moon, and I just see nothing indicator of that. Like, I see nothing that makes me feel like we're flying up today. Like, just a lot of cope. Even though the overnight was good, like, can it? 100%. Do I see anything that indicates this? No. Like, if we were to see some trend upwards like here, Like a little bowl kind of thing. Okay, sure. That's fair. But we would need to hit these again. We need to hit at these price points. We can't just go under. Like even if it were to like just hit here, that's not changing my view. I'm kind of liking the consolidation here though. And then there was none. There was no consolidation. Let's keep the 5. Wow, look at this. This is awesome. 15's even cooler. What does this even mean? Make multiple drawings in a row. I don't know. Text? Wow. It's pretty nifty. I don't really want to write anything down. I kind of wanted to, but I backed out. Alright, I feel like I've been talking a lot. I'm just gonna kind of chill. Sorry. I think I've been talking a lot. I'm just gonna kind of chill and look. So, I don't know if I cared. I would fast forward this or do whatever, but I just upload this shit raw. So, there you go. Have fun. That's stupid. Nobody would watch that shit if I just sat here and did nothing. Now everybody that thinks I'm gonna do nothing is clicking off, but I don't, I don't know. I don't know. I just know it sounds like shit when I'm just leaning back. I just want to lean back. Because, like, we're getting these lower highs, but we're finding the same resistance. It's time to ask ChatGPT what that means. And we're going to listen to ChatGPT because, yeah. bearish compression, guys. Interesting. Interesting. Let's look back at my data 3 days ago. Look at this bearish compression. Interesting. Kind of what I was saying before. Kind of what I was saying before. I fucking listen to these jackasses online. I should just be taking my trade. If we go over this, I guess I'm a fucking idiot. Ah, so I shouldn't be thinking short. I should be thinking which side gets trapped. I already closed ChatGPT, so I don't know what it actually said. I think it's something like that. Um, to me that sounds like puts, all in puts, and if not, it's ChatGPT's fault. Therefore, it's not mine. uh, what is this? I don't know. Well, we could hop in on the trade. I kind of feel like it's cooking right now. I do think it's bearish compression. There's like no orders here. I think it would have to break this resistance first. Even the, okay. So we're seeing lower highs. But like with a strong ass resistance. So it's not able to like push these orders. It's too buyer sided until we get to this consolidation where it's fairly even just due to the volume here. But I feel like okay, so now that's the thing. What breaks first? It's switching to a seller sided market or this resistance line. I want to take a trade so fucking badly, but I kind of just want to see how this plays out initially. Like, I think, fuck these lines. I'll just move them here. I think we break that. We're bullish, or yeah, we're bullish now. I think we break this. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, see, now it wants to let me place 400 of these. Oh, yeah, this works. It's because I clicked the pencil. Oh, it is because I clicked the pencil. Okay, okay. And is this even where I should be looking? I mean, I guess so. I feel like it most more so is this like volume line. That's like the real indicator of this. I feel like I need to up my vocabulary. I feel like I've said indicative, indicator, fucking all this shit when like, it's not the wrong word to use necessarily, but it's not like the right one. Okay, and see, we did have like a fake. Well, I guess it was still shorter. Eh, if anything, we're faking more towards the low side, like with these little wicks. Each one's like a little bit longer than the last. Like I feel like, but see, that's so interesting. Like we had this pop up drop lower. So like in my model, essentially, if I had it here and here at the time, well, I guess here. Maybe I would have bought here and then just got flipped. I guess same with right here. I gotta give it a little more wiggle room than that, I think. Just don't really have like a decent framework from overnight to work with. And let's be real. Even if I did take this trade, which was what, like here, one of the short, theta would be cooking me. Especially if we just sit in here, all theta does is just eat. So, it's not really a reason to be in anything right now. Need like hybrid scale. Not quite auto scale, not quite whatever the fuck it's also called. I don't really know if this line should be here. I feel like it should be like here. I mean, not really. I don't know. It really could just chop all day and be up a percent, and there you go, but I would hate for that to be the case, especially because I'm tired. I'm losing my mental focus. Even though I've been all over the place today. I want to take a nap. I don't even know. Like, this is kind of laying out how this is. It's kind of interesting. But this would have, well, to get past it, to still be under this. It's not a lot of room like it is up here. This is 50-cent gap. This is 20, yeah. Hundred K volume on the 725. That is shocking. So is this just like slop? It's just dog shit today? It actually found it. I mean, it's not done yet, but wow. What an interesting. Like, does this just mean he's gonna chop forever? Is that just like obviously not, but like is this kind of a retweet? Like obviously, literally talking about it's just a short version of this. Oh, if it doesn't win. Oh shit. This could be fucking calls here. I mean, I'm saying it mark out the wick, but I feel like this is calls. Yeah. Fuck, bro. That's so crazy. Like, do you think we're too late? I'm gonna get in it just cause. Like, I feel like that changes like the whole day. Well, maybe I'm glad I didn't click buy yet. If it flips back up green, I'm gonna leave it. But just depending on where this teeters out, I might keep this open. Okay, but like it's bearish compression. What made that jump a jump? Like, why? Just crossing this? I guess. I don't know. It's like that's kind of like the inertia thing I was talking about way earlier. If you're not skipping through this, like the second you pop, this was 20, and it's not like it's a $2 difference. But if you have 1,000 calls, that makes a difference. But now it drops. What did it fire off into? What was just into that little cave? God, that's so interesting. I kind of thought of this as initial stopping point. I don't know why. I mean, I don't think it is. Like, it will drop here. I mean, even if it doesn't, I don't really see any correlation to it because it's like the high again. It'll stop for a second because there's a few orders there, but oh my god, but does it just drop now? That makes even less sense. That is crazy. There's no way it finds its like just spot here. I feel like this is just like a drawn out different variation of this. This had more of like a downtrend, and this is also pre-market. This one I was looking at, or is it this? This is also pre-market. I don't know. Does it really matter? Not really. Alright, I think I'm way too all over the place to take a trade today. Not gonna lie, I've almost jumped into 4 fucking terrible trades. Not granted I didn't, but still, this is a very interesting day. I think it drops though. So, I mean, it's the same kind of thinking where there's just no support to keep this going. So it hits this again. I feel like it drops. Oh my god, bro. That is fucking crazy. I feel like that was more like a not retail, whatever. But I feel like that's gonna be it. But now now it's I don't know. I need to do more videos, and obviously, as good as videos are, I feel like this is teaching me a lot too. Whether or not I retain this or not, a different thing. But I kind of want to hop at a put. I just want to fucking trade. We're gonna take a really small position. This bearish compression shit. I see it. I'm in at 22. I will literally just get bounced instantly. Fuck. I did all this good shit, bro, and then I just get fucked. I'll let this go to 15. I don't really care. I bought at 22. 20 bucks. But it's 20 bucks every fucking day. Whatever. I think the consensus is honestly bearish. I don't give a fuck. Fuck $15. This shit's going to fucking the reverse moon. Okay, but see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, I watch this shit, I learned from it, I do all this. The only thing I'm gonna retain from it is that I jumped in, because all I want to do is trade. I have like this gambler's mindset to it, but only in the moment, like I just get stuck on it. It's my problem. I'm just mad at myself for not following my model, even though like I feel like this is not a terrible trade, right? Like it's this compression. We went up, we snapped down, we essentially did the same thing on both sides though. We just kind of trickled back instead of this like super crazy pull. But if we just stay in here, they're just gonna fucking eat me alive. Let's make this 3. Oh, there's severe thunderstorms now. How fucking awesome is that? Alright, my new limit's 22. I'll go back to break even if I have to, that's fine. With how wiki it's gotten, I'm a little worried it's gonna blow right through that, but that's not the point. But like, do I listen to myself? I really don't want to. When I say 17, we'll take the 17. It's fine. I honestly do feel good enough to stay in this. I don't necessarily know what my target would be though, because like it could stick around here. It could just not even go down, but I feel like it could stick around here. Maybe touch this wick again. I don't know. It being at 23 now though is interesting to say the least. Somehow it finds the fucking will. That's crazy. I just feel like buying a short up here, like to me, I mean, I don't know, that feels crazy to me. But now it's retesting this level, because now like I feel like this structure isn't even as important anymore. Now we're retesting this, which to me is now more bullish. Which is why like I don't know. It's so hard because I don't cut this. I don't want to cut it, but when it's all over the place like this, it's another day where I should not have even touched this. Like I'm just gonna get out. And get out. It's like a $15 loss. I'll take it in stride. It's one of those things where the consensus or like the outlook, I don't know. The charts are not giving me any indication that's consistent, and I think that's way riskier than it has to be. Like I should just not trade this, or if anything, even though this is interesting and it kind of followed what I thought after the fact after learning some more. This is what I know. Like I know this retweet stuff. And now, is it gonna stop right there? Maybe, I don't know, because it's also hitting this. I know, like this was almost just kind of like bullshit. Regardless, this is a trade I would be more comfortable taking than what I just took. But it's really hard to like go back and forth in my mind, saying out loud. I feel like an idiot for switching up in this video. Like I feel like I look like an idiot saying this stuff, but I don't know. I feel like it's the only way I learn. It's the only way I can learn for myself. Hopefully, it's the only way you can learn, and maybe you can relate to not feeling like you don't know the market, right? Like, it does kind of hurt that I'm spending like fucking $20 a video to make these, and I don't know if I'm getting anything from it, but I'm gonna keep making them. I'm gonna stop taking trades like this because I feel like this is really fucking stupid, but it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. I fixed that. I become a winning man. Genuinely, I fix my psychology, and I pick a slightly better method. I can never think of the word for it. Model. I pick a better model, fix my psychology. That's it, right? Isn't that how it works for everybody? It's just jumping in when I shouldn't. And I know I shouldn't. Even if that played out and the consensus was bearish, I still shouldn't be taking that trade. I shouldn't. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you see this one day after I'm rich and famous. You're like, wow, how humble. What a humble king. If not, I hope you just learned something. So, time to play Apex. Bye.